Hey, everyone! Looking for the best Android smartwatches of 2025? You've come to the right place. We've rounded up the top picks that offer incredible features, impressive style, and high performance tailored just for Android users. Whether you're tracking your fitness, boosting productivity, or simply adding a sleek accessory to your daily look, these watches have it all. Check the description below for links to the best deals, and make sure to stay tuned till the end to find out which watch stands out the most for you. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to hit that like button, share your favorite smartwatch in the comments, and subscribe for more in-depth tech reviews and wearable recommendations. Let's get into it. 1. Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. First up is the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. This smartwatch raises the bar with cutting-edge technology and an attractive design that appeals to fitness enthusiasts and casual users alike. After weeks of testing, it's clear this device shines in nearly every department, securing its place as a top contender in the smartwatch market. One of the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro's standout features is its advanced health and fitness tracking suite. It's equipped with sensors for heart rate monitoring, Spot2, and body temperature tracking, offering a comprehensive view of your health metrics. Additionally, this watch offers a variety of workout modes, covering everything from running and cycling to swimming, ensuring you're able to track your performance no matter what your activity of choice is. The design of the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro is another high point. Built with premium materials and sapphire crystal display, this watch is both sleek and durable, ready to withstand outdoor adventures. The always-on display is perfect for checking your stats or time at a glance, even in bright sunlight. Battery life also stands out with a larger capacity compared to its predecessors, lasting multiple days on a single charge, making it ideal for those with active lifestyles who don't want to worry about frequent charging. 2. Fitbit Sense 2. Next, we have the Fitbit Sense 2. This smartwatch offers a remarkable combination of health monitoring and ease of use, going beyond just steps and calories. After extensive testing, the Sense 2 has proven to be an impressive choice, particularly for those who want to gain more insight into their overall well-being. The health tracking capabilities on the Sense 2 are comprehensive, including heart rate monitoring, stress tracking, skin temperature, and ECG. These features allow users to understand their wellness on a deeper level, making this a great option for fitness enthusiasts and anyone looking to improve their health habits. The watch also includes stress management tools, such as guided breathing exercises and mindfulness sessions, features that recognize the importance of mental well-being in today's fast-paced world. Battery life is impressive as well, with the Sense 2 lasting up to 6 days on a single charge, which is perfect for users who don't want to be constantly tied to a charger. The bright, customizable display provides easy navigation, and the lightweight design makes it comfortable for all-day wear and workouts alike. 3. Google Pixel Watch. The Google Pixel Watch offers a perfect blend of style and functionality, appealing to both tech enthusiasts and everyday users. With a sleek, rounded design and custom band options, this watch integrates seamlessly with Google's ecosystem, making it a favorite among Android users. After spending significant time with the Pixel Watch, it's clear it's an excellent contender for both style and performance. One of the Pixel Watch's most notable features is its AMOLED display, which is vibrant and responsive, making navigation through apps and notifications smooth and satisfying. With Google Assistant integration and compatibility with Google Fit, the Pixel Watch offers a seamless experience for accessing notifications, setting reminders, and tracking health metrics like heart rate and sleep patterns. It's designed to fit effortlessly into your daily routine, whether you're working out or attending meetings. Battery life is solid, lasting a full day with regular use. Additionally, power-saving modes help extend usage when needed, and wireless charging makes topping off the battery easy. While the app selection is slightly limited compared to competitors, Google continues to expand its Wear OS platform, making this a future-ready choice. 4. Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. Moving along, we have the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. This smartwatch combines style, functionality, and the latest technology, catering to fitness enthusiasts and tech-savvy users alike. After weeks of testing, it's clear the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic is a top choice for those who want an elegant yet powerful device. Right out of the box, the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic feels premium, thanks to its stainless steel design and signature rotating bezel, which makes navigation intuitive and enjoyable. The Super AMOLED display measures 1.5 inches and provides vivid colors and excellent clarity, even under bright sunlight. Customizable watch faces allow users to personalize the look, making it a stylish accessory as well as a functional tool. In terms of health and fitness, the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic offers a comprehensive set of features, including heart rate monitoring, ECG, and blood oxygen tracking. During workouts, the real-time data proved accurate and helped optimize performance. Plus, integration with Samsung Health allows for effortless tracking of fitness goals and progress. Battery life is another highlight, lasting well beyond a day, even with heavy tracking and notifications. When it's time to recharge, fast wireless charging ensures minimal downtime. This watch also integrates seamlessly with Samsung's ecosystem, enabling users to control notifications, calls, and music directly from their wrist. It also supports third-party apps, adding even more functionality for a truly versatile experience. 5. Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. Finally, we have the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. This smartwatch brings together sleek design, practical functionality, and cutting-edge health tracking technology. After thorough testing, the Galaxy Watch 4 has proven itself as a worthy contender in a crowded market. One of the most impressive features of the Galaxy Watch 4 is its advanced health monitoring capabilities. With body composition analysis, this watch offers a detailed view of health metrics such as body fat percentage, muscle mass, and hydration levels. This is ideal for fitness enthusiasts tracking their progress over time, and the heart rate monitoring and ECG functionality provide additional health insights for those serious about wellness. Running on Samsung's latest Wear OS, the Galaxy Watch 4 offers easy access to Google services and a wide variety of apps through the Google Play Store. The interface is intuitive and smooth, allowing for effortless navigation through notifications, fitness data, and apps. Battery life is another plus, lasting up to 2 days on a single charge, which is perfect for those who want a reliable watch without frequent recharging. In terms of design, the Galaxy Watch 4 is both sleek and modern, available in different colors and sizes to suit personal style. The AMOLED display is sharp and vibrant, making everything from notifications to fitness tracking look stunning.